Welcome to the Mason Pot step-by-step infusion guide. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for decarboxylating the cannabis, which activates the cannabinoids. 2. Prepare your herb and place it in the Mason Pot jar. If using big buds, we recommend breaking them down by hand or using a grinder so they're in smaller pieces. You can also use ground cannabis, shake, trim, keef, already vaped or pressed flower, etc. 3. Place Mason Pot lid with silicone hole on top of the Mason Pot jar and screw on with the band. 4. Insert the thermometer. This will allow you to monitor the temperature during the decarboxylation process. 5. Put the jar in the preheated oven and let it decarb for 40 minutes at 240 degrees. 6. After 40 minutes, remove the jar from the oven and let it cool down on the counter. This will allow the vapors to settle down before adding the oil. Set the oven to 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Here at Mason Pot, we typically stick to around the 190 Fahrenheit mark. Step 7. Remove the lid, add MCT oil, coconut oil, butter, or olive oil, whatever you're feeling here. 8. Place the lid back on securely with the thermometer inserted. 9. Place the jar in the oven that has been set to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Set your timer for 60 minutes and let the infusion process begin. During this time, your herbs will start to infuse. 10. After 60 minutes, give the Mason Pot a little swirl using the microfiber cloth that acts as a hot mitt as well. This will mix the oil and flour, enhancing the infusion process. Although not necessary, it's a nice little touch. 11. Set your timer for another 60 minutes and let the infusion continue. This additional time will ensure a thorough infusion of the cannabinoids into the oil. Step 12. Once the infusion is complete, carefully remove the jar from the oven and place it on your countertop to cool. It's important to handle the jar with caution as it's full of liquid greatness. 13. Remove probe, wiping off any oil, and then remove the lid. 14. Place the Mason Pot fine strainer in another Mason Pot jar or any glass of your choosing. 15. Place Mason Pot puck into the Mason Pot jar with the infused oil. 16. Press infusion. Use the Mason Pot press to push down on the puck, ensuring every last drop of liquid gold. 17. Holding the press and puck in place with your index finger, pour the infusion through the fine strainer. 18. Infusion complete. Make your very own edibles, tinctures, and other goodies. Yummy. 19. Hand wash using soap, warm water, and the microfiber cloth to dry everything. 20. Place everything back in the classic tin lunchbox. Everything will be in place and ready to go for your next batch. Thank you for chilling with the Mason Pot family. I hope these 20 steps found you well. Follow along here. Feel free to pause it at any time during the infusion process and you will be good to go. We will have a concentrate video just like this one coming out, but we also have some more videos and content on our YouTube, Instagram, but primarily that YouTube is a really good spot for you.